Mayo Clinic health system is starting to require the COVID-19 vaccine for all of their employees. News 19's Marcus Arsvold met with hospital officials to learn why they're making this move now. So Marcus, what did they say?
Well, Mayo says it's to make everyone that enters their facilities as protected from the virus and variants as possible. Requiring the COVID-19 vaccine comes down to one thing: safety.
Mayo is really doing this to assure that all patients are safe.
Right now, Noth says the biggest challenge is misinformation.
Having a source of truth, whether it's someone's own primary care provider or someone that's very knowledgeable in vaccinations, will help, I think, alleviate some of the fears and unknowns that people might have.
It's not a requirement at Gundersen yet, but experts say hospital employees aren't immune to misinformation.
Just because you work in a healthcare setting doesn't mean that you are not going to be subject to some of this bad information that's out there.
But Dr. Nike says they're in a good enough place to keep it voluntary.
83% is pretty good compared to most healthcare organizations. But one of the key things that we're doing is trying to work with the remaining eligible healthcare staff who are not yet vaccinated to try to get them vaccinated as well so they can set a good example.
For those at Mayo still hesitant, they need to wear a mask and take a class.
Either get vaccinated, or we ask those who are reluctant to do so to attend several education sessions, and then they're asked to sign a declination paper stating that they're not going to get it. So that's what we're moving to now.
Attempting to move forward through the evolving pandemic process with as little contention as possible.
We certainly don't want to make this an us versus you situation. That we're all in this together, and we want to help to make people comfortable making what is clearly the best choice for a majority of people.
Especially as variant spread increases. Both systems say allergy concerns and religious reasons prevent people from getting vaccinated. But Heather, they say they're still confident vaccines are the best solution.